In this lesson, we will round large numbers to the nearest 100. So when rounding to the nearest 100, we're trying to find what 100 the number is nearest to. First, we need to identify the hundreds column. It can be useful to circle this. 100 is any number that has nothing in the tens or units columns. So we put zeros in these columns, the ones to the right of the hundreds column. We then need to look in the tens column. If there's a 4 or less, then the digit stays the same, the one that's in the hundreds column. If there's a 5 or more, the digit in the hundreds column goes up by 1. Drawing this on a number line can help us. Let's try with 62,647. As in this case, there's a 4 in the tens column. The 100, which is a 6 at this point, stays the same. And remember, we put zeros in the tens and ones columns.